Sleep is something we do with 1/3 of our life. It's when we restore our body and reset ourselves, and not something to take lightly. In tonight's Wear the Gown, we dig into the reasons why it's so important to get enough sleep.
Some people do okay with 5 hours. Some people need their 8, 9 hours. So that's something you need to know. But anything less than 4 or 5 hours is kind of risky.
Dr. Suhaib Haq is a family medicine physician and sleep medicine specialist with University Health. He says sleep is important for the health of your brain.
It's in the sleep that's when our body restores all the chemicals, all the hormones, especially in the brain, that help promote memory.
Some common symptoms of sleep disorders: you are tired even with enough sleep, you fall asleep during the day, you have trouble falling asleep often, you have a medical condition that keeps you awake, and you snore or stop breathing in your sleep. That could be a sign of sleep apnea.
If they are male, if their BMI is high, if they snore, they have high blood pressure, the neck size, collar size is more than 16. So those are all the risk factors for sleep apnea.
If left untreated, it can lead to serious problems.
Sleep apnea can lead to heart conditions, heart failure, atrial fibrillation, and those can lead to more complications, even leading to stroke.
And when it comes to any medication for sleep, including melatonin, talk to your doctor first.
Most of the medications that are over the counter, sleep is a side effect of those. So they are meant for allergies and they're meant for something else. And they are sold as a sleep product because they promote sleep.
For more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of our Wear the Gown stories. Just go to wearthegown.com.